Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to add Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition on your Steam account. So at first, just open your Steam account and then go in the store and click it. And after you are in the store, go in the search bar and type Red Dead Redemption 2. And after you see it, just click it with your mouse. And scroll down until you see the option by Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition. And click Add to Cart. And as you can see, I have already bought the game. I can't buy the game. So for you guys, all you have to do is just click on Purchase for myself and fill in the details that are asked to buy the game. So after you fill in the details and buy the game, your game will be automatically added to your library in here like this. And to play it, just click on the play button. So guys, that's how you add Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition on your Steam account. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.